Mario.
And John Cena. I think they're going to be partners by
How'd you know they're gonna team up?
because I can see in the future and I got killed because of you. You suck. I got game over.
Wow, first time Mario teaming up with John Cena. What a dream match. Nintendo teaming up with WWE.
What is it a dream match? A dream match is when you dream.
I mean, it's a dream come true. Getting to know each other.
Oh my God.
Man, sound like John Cena got more respect for Nintendo too.
Yeah.
Oh look, I think you love that. Look, you like John Cena and Mario. Your favorite characters, right?
Actually,
Sonic, I know.
No!
But mostly Mario's like the leader of Nintendo.
Actually, my favorite Nintendo. My second favorite is Pokemon Pikachu.
But Mario's actually like the best.
Pokemon sells more games than John Cena win or lose, moving by having John Cena win or lose, proceed to the next generation of I can see through time.
Enrique. Well, here comes Mario.
Why does he have a travel sign?
I don't know.
The following contest is an ECW Extreme Rules.
Get it or must have got it confused.
Introducing first, from Italy, Mr. Amazing.
Well,
Like this all season.
Mario's gonna go in the ring, and he has to face Bowser and Sheamus. Man, remember last week? Bowser just came out of nowhere and attacked Mario from behind while he was talking about the Super Mario Galaxy League 2 about Todd Grisham.
He just jumped in the sky. And he stopped.
I know, Bowser's so mean.
I should be on home video.
Why are you gonna visit RXG Wrestling?
No, I want to put it on home video. Bowser stepping on him.
Who? Mario?
Yeah.
I didn't notice you liked the show.
No, I just want to put it there because I could get money.
Well, here comes John Cena. He's the champ. Cheer him! Your favorite wrestler's here.
And his partner,
Wow, I got a lot of fans are cheering him up.
248 pounds, John Cena.
Mario's over there. Wait. Well, John Cena just gave him a free hat to the fans. Here comes Bowser.
Wait.
There he is.
From parts unknown,
Look at him.
the monster.
You scared? Oh, kind of stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, look at Bowser. He's now turning to a human.
Stupid.
Bowser? Hey, remember the part where Bowser just kidnapped Yoshi? And one of the guys, Scrapper, thinks that his voice sounds like that Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. Hey, I can tell you that Bowser watches Sesame Street.
Big baby.
Bowser? I know, because he's trying to speak English a little.
Wait for the tripod and dazzle.
Yeah, we're all waiting. Careful, Bowser. He's a mean Koopa.
Turtle.
He's actually a Koopa, not a turtle. Well, here comes his partner, Sheamus.
And his partner, from Dublin, Ireland, the Superstar.
Sheamus doesn't look like he doesn't look, this is disappointing, doesn't look to me about it. One bit.
He's walking like an idiot, like,
I know, always.
he still loves some trouble.
I know he does. And Finley too. What the heck is wrong with Sheamus? Now it's like Nintendo and Zelda colliding together. Good guy versus bad guy together.
Evil guy versus dumb guy.
Bowser's a dumb one.
Yeah.
Bowser's just a